Hello, kids! Today, let's learn the names of some yummy and healthy vegetables. Cucumber. It's long, green, and super crunchy. Lettuce. A leafy green vegetable, perfect for salads. Onion. Round and makes your food tasty, but it can make you cry. Pepper. Colorful and crunchy. It can be red, yellow, or green. Potato, a round vegetable that we use to make chips and fries. Tomato, juicy and red, great for sauces and salads. Carrot, long and orange, it's crunchy and sweet. Radish, a small round vegetable that can be spicy or sweet. Pumpkin, big, orange, and perfect for soups and pies. Leek, a long vegetable like a big onion with green leaves. Spinach, a leafy green that makes you strong just like Popeye. Corn, yellow and sweet, it grows on a cob. Garlic, small and white, it makes food smell amazing. Eggplant, purple and shiny, it's soft and delicious when cooked. Zucchini, green and long, it looks like a cucumber but tastes different. Broccoli, green and fluffy, it looks like little trees. Cauliflower, white and fluffy like broccoli's cousin. Peas, small and round, they come in a pod and taste sweet. Great job, kids. Now you know so many vegetables. Keep practicing and learning with Sonamonir Pathshala.